Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read our book Oxford Progressive English. Open your book OPE and from page number 20 your topic is starting. The name of the topic is Kanti Parahira and the Orphan Elephant. Here is an introduction about your topic and the introduction is given at page number 19. The Orphan Elephant and the Kanti Parahira, Sri Lanka. The text below is really two texts which have been run together. The texts are in correct sequence, but you need to separate them. One is called the Orphan Elephant and the other is called Kandy Parahira. The Kandy Parahira is an important and spectacular religious parade of drummers, dancers, and decorated elephants which is held annually in Kandy in Sri Lanka. Kandy Parahira and the Orphan Elephant. Sri Dalada Meligava is the temple in Kandy, Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there is a city, and the name of the city is Kandy. And in Kandy city, Sri Dalada Meligava is a temple, and in that temple, the Dalada or sacred truth relic of the Buddha himself. Buddha is a sacred person in Buddha religion, and his tooth is saved by Buddhists, and they have kept it in the Dalada, in the Sri Dalada Meligava temple. In Pinawala Elephant Orphanage in Sri Lanka, a baby elephant stands by himself. Now, as you can see that this line is about the other text, and now we are told about an orphan elephant that in Pinawala Elephant Orphanage, a baby elephant stands by himself, and he has no parents, so he is in that orphanage. For Buddhists all over the world, it's their most precious relic, as the people of this religion they think that this truth relic is the most precious thing for them, and the sacred truth relic has been in Sri Lanka since ancient times. Since old times, this tooth is in Sri Lanka and housed in the Dalada Meligava. It is kept in Dalada Meligava temple or temple of the tooth. This temple is also known as temple of the tooth. For over 400 years, for 4 centuries, it's there. He is tied to a tree. This line is about elephant, and we are told that it is tied to a tree. Although the rope which ties him is unnecessary because he is completely still, with his head hanging low and his trunk curling on the ground. This is his condition, that he is standing still, he is not moving at all, and his head is low and his trunk is curling on the ground. The Kanti Parahira is a traditional religious celebration of great importance and antiquity. कैंडी पैराहेरा इज़ अ ट्रेडिशनल रिलीजियस सेलिब्रेशन. उनकी जो है ये एक रिलीजियस सेलिब्रेशन है, उनके रिलीजन से रिलेट करती है, ऑफ ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंस. इसकी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है उनके श्रीलंका के पीपल के लिए, बुद्ध रिलीजन के पीपल के लिए. एंड एंटीक्विटी मीन्स इट इज़ ऑफ द ग्रेट एज. And now, traditionally, the king was the guardian of this sacred relic, and according to the ancient custom of Raja Karya, he gave land and holy shrines to the people. This was their tradition, that the guardian was the king, means the king was set as a guardian of that truth relic, and it was his duty to save that relic. And according to their ancient custom of Raja Karya, he used to give land and holy shrines to the people. He is a picture of misery and dejection, means the orphan elephant which is standing under a tree. It's the his picture of misery, means uski halat jo hai kabile rehm hai, and dejection, it is depressed. And this gift of land was bound to specific duties. The people who were given land, they were bound that they could use that land only for specific duties, and one of these was the dancing, drumming, and the torch bearing of the Parahira. Parahira is their religious celebration, and it is their tradition. And now we are told that they were given the land that could be used only for dancing, drumming, and the torch bearing of that tradition. Another duty was supplying flowers for the daily pujas or religious rites, and another was cultivating paddy fields for the daily offerings. And now we are told about the duties, that one duty was dancing, drumming, torch bearing, other duty was supplying flowers for puja, and puja is their religious rite, and एक उनकी रस्म है. पूजा मीन्स के वो जो इबादत करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, उसकी उसके लिए यूज़ की जाती थी टेम्पल में. एंड अनदर वॉज कल्टिवेटिंग पैडी फील्ड्स. पैडी आर कॉल्ड राइस फील्ड्स एंड they used to cultivate rice, and those rice were used for daily offerings. वहाँ पे जो भी चढ़ावे चढ़ाते हैं, जो भी वो वहाँ पे चीज़ें पेश करते थे अपने गॉड्स को, उनके लिए वो राइस यूज़ किए जाते थे. And just 1 month before, he was brought to the orphanage by villagers who had found him. Now we are told about the orphan elephant, that that elephant was brought in the orphanage just 1 month before, and the people of the village found him alone, and they took him to the orphanage alone and deserted. That elephant was alone, no one was with him, and he was deserted. Means that he was left there, and no one knows that who left him there. His body yellowed and neglected. Yellowed means he was looking very pale and weak, and he was neglected means his care was not taken by anyone. On the next page, now we are reading about the Kandy Parahira. The Great Kandy Parahira is an annual celebration which many pilgrim families travel from the surrounding rural areas to see. जैसा कि इबादत के लिए लोग दूर दराज के इलाकों से भी ट्रेवल करके एक अपनी इबादत गाह पे पहुंचते हैं, इस तरह से वहाँ की जो पिलग्रिम्स फैमिलीज है, मीन्स जो वहाँ पे इबादत के लिए जो फैमिलीज इकट्ठी होती थी, वो दूर दराज के रूरल एरियाज से, जो विलेजेस थे, वहाँ से इकट्ठी होकर वहाँ पे आती थी. And nowadays tourists from all over the world also come to see it. Now from all over the world people used to come there, and each summer the celebration begins at the full moon, means at the 14th of the moon their celebration starts at a time prescribed auspicious by astrologists. And the time of their celebration is told or suggested. Prescribed means suggested, at a time suggested by suggested. Auspicious means favorable, जिस टाइम को favorable समझते थे, अपने लिए suitable समझते थे, and उसको astrologers से वो पूछते थे, और उनके कहने पर जो भी टाइम उनको मिलता था उस टाइम पे अपनी वो celebration start करते थे. And continues every evening for 11 days. Continuously 11 days के लिए उनकी ये celebration, ये उनकी जो इबादत थी वो चलती रहती थी. Where was his mother? Now we are asked about the orphan elephant, that no one knows where his mother was, and perhaps the herd had lost the little elephant. Herd means the group of elephant with which the elephant should be, and now we are told that maybe the herd had lost him, and she was now grieving for her baby. Maybe his mother was alive, and she could grieve for her baby, which she had carried inside her for 22 months before finally giving birth to him. Means before birth she had kept him in his body for 22 months. And in the Parahira, the blessing of the gods are invoked for rain. And now we are told about the tradition, that in that tradition the blessings of the god are invoked. Invoked means prayed, मांगी जाती हैं blessings. अपने god से वो blessing मांगते हैं, किस चीज़ के लिए? For rain, fertility and successful crops. And as elephant are a cultural symbol of abundance and fertility. Elephant जो है उनके religion में एक fertility का, abundance का, चीज़ों की कसरत का जो है sign समझा जाता है. And now they play an essential and visually stunning part. Stunning means extremely impressive or attractive. ऐसा पार्ट जो है वो प्ले करते हैं, शो करते हैं उनके रिलीजन में. Perhaps the herd had searched for the lost baby and then been forced to move on for the sake of their own survival. And now we are talking about the elephant, that maybe his herd had searched him. Obviously जाहिर है उन्होंने उसको सर्च किया होगा, उसके लिए ज़रूर किया होगा सर्च, और जब ये उनको नहीं मिला तो उनको अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए, अपनी लाइफ बचाने के लिए, ज़िंदा रहने के लिए उनको आगे मूव करना पड़ा. Perhaps the mother had died. ये भी हो सकता है कि उसकी मदर की डेथ हो चुकी हो, तभी उसको ढूंढने पीछे नहीं आई. 100 lavishly decorated elephants parade in the ceremony. Now in that ceremony 100 elephants are brought there, and the elephants are lavishly decorated. Lavishly means in a very generous manner, generous way, and elephants are generously decorated, and they are brought for parade accompanied by hordes of drummers. Hordes means a large group of drummers डांसर्स एंड फायर बियरर्स मीन्स कि जिन्होंने आग जला के वो टॉर्च वगैरह जो है उठाई होती हैं. द एलिफेंट्स फ्रीक्वेंटली ट्रेवल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस टू रीच कैंडी फॉर द पैराहेरा. इस ट्रेडिशन इस सेरेमनी के लिए कैंडी सिटी पहुंचने के लिए एलिफेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेवल करना पड़ता है, ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पर, वॉकिंग स्लोली बाय नाइट इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड द हीट एंड द ट्रैफिक. ऑब्वियसली दिन के टाइम पे सड़कों पर ट्रैफिक होती है, हीट होती है सनलाइट की वजह से, जिससे बचने के लिए एलिफेंट्स को नाइट टाइम में मूव करवाया जाता है और मूव वो वैसे ही स्लोली करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी उनको टाइम जो है वो लगता है यहाँ जाने के लिए. वट एवर द रीज़न, द लिटिल ऑर्फन नाउ स्टैंड्स बाय हिमसेल्फ. कि जो भी उसकी वजह हुई, उसकी मदर की डेथ हुई, उसको उन्होंने छोड़ दिया या उसको ढूंढा नहीं ढूंढा, जो भी हुआ, वट एवर द रीज़न, ऑर्फन एलिफेंट्स जो है नाउ ही इज स्टैंडिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ मीन्स ही इज अलोन नाउ. इवन व्हेन लेड टू द रिवर वेयर द अदर यंग एलिफेंट नजल हिम. नजल मीन्स रब और पुश अगेंस्ट जेंटली विद द नोज एंड माउथ. जिस तरह के एनिमल्स एक दूसरे के साथ मूवमेंट्स करते हैं, कि उसको जब यंग एलिफेंट्स की तरफ ले जाया गया, जहाँ पानी पर रिवर में वो खेलते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, मौज मस्ती करते हैं, वहाँ पे ले जाने के बावजूद भी वो वहीं अकेला ही खड़ा रहा एंड स्प्लैश ईच अदर विद वाटर. बाकी एलिफेंट्स जो थे वो यंग एलिफेंट्स एक दूसरे पर स्प्लैश कर रहे थे, पानी फेंक रहे थे, खेल कूद रहे थे, बट दे आर ये जो एलिफेंट था इसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. They are decorated outside the temple of the tooth. Now the elephant which are going to the going for celebration, they are decorated outside the temple. Their mahots or rider drape the elephants in brilliant covering sewn with mirrors in rich colors, exotic amber, rich vibrant reds, and bright rich shades of deep blue. Now we are told about the colors and the designs which are made on the cloth that the elephants are wearing, and we are told that their riders drape the elephant. Drape means arrange loosely around. उनके इर्द गिर्द कपड़ा लपेटते हैं. Brilliant coverings होती हैं, उनके कलर बहुत brilliant, बहुत bright होते हैं. Sewn with mirrors, उन पे mirrors जो है वो धागे से सी के लगाए जाते हैं. In rich colors, exotic amber. Amber जो है ये रेजिन को कहा जाता है. रिच एंड वाइब्रेंट रेड एंड ब्राइट रिच शेड्स ऑफ डीप ब्लू. रेड और ब्लू और हर ब्राइट और डीप कलर्स जो हैं उनसे इनको उन कलर्स के कपड़ों से और धागों से काम करके और मिरर्स वगैरह लगा के इनके ड्रेस इनका वो कवरिंग तैयार की जाती है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द एलिफेंट इज कवर्ड इन दीज डेकोरेटिव ड्रेप्स. इस तरह के ड्रेप्स में कवरिंग में सारा एलिफेंट जो है उसको कवर कर दिया जाता है. अनटिल ओनली देयर आइज आर विजिबल. ओनली देयर आइज आर नॉट कवर्ड and except eyes, all their full body is covered. 10 months later the scene has changed, and now after 10 months the scene was changed. At the orphanage, a group of baby elephants shriek excitedly as they are given their milk. Baby elephants was shrieking or crying, shouting as they were given their milk, and the deafening cracks of a whip marks the beginning of the ceremony. Now we are told about the start, the beginning of the ceremony, that with a deafening crack means कि इतनी ऊंची आवाज़ थी कि जिससे बहरा लगता है कि कान हमारे हो जाएंगे. इस तरह की क्रैक जो थी, क्रैक मीन्स अ सडन शार्प नॉइज. इस तरह का नॉइज जो है वो विप से किया जाता है. विप इज़ अ स्ट्रिप ऑफ लेदर और लेंथ ऑफ कोर्ड एक्सेट्रा. कि कोई भी चमड़े की जो स्ट्रिप होती है उस को मारा जाता है किसी चीज़ के साथ टकराने से, ढोल वगैरह पर मारने से एक साउंड क्रिएट की जाती है, जो कि इस चीज़ का सिंबल होती है कि सेरेमनी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. एंड द प्रोसेशन स्टार्ट्स. Men in white sarangs wielding whips, the flag bearers now, and the elaborately dressed elephants with their dazzling mirror covering glinting in the firelight, the drummers beating a frenetic rhythm. Now we are told, gradually we are told about all the participants of the ceremony. First of all, we are told about the men that they are in white sarangs. Sarangs means that their garments are white, and they are wielding whips means they are holding and using their whips, and the flag bearers means the people who are holding flags, and the elaborately dressed elephants means elaborately means the lavishly dressed or decorated elephants, and with their dazzling mirrored covering glinting in the firelight, as we are told that the covering or the cloth of the elephants is decorated with mirrors, so the mirrors are shining, glinting in the firelight. The drummers beating a frenetic rhythm means the people who are beating the drum, they are beating it in a frenetic manner, means fast and energetic manner में जो है वो उसको beat कर रहे हैं. Horn blowers are also doing their work. Dancers decked with their flashing anklets means the dancers are wearing anklets and many steps of anklets and bracelets and necklaces and brilliant costumes. Their costume is their dresses are in brilliant and bright colors. The fire bearers illuminated by their great torches, and the people who are fire bearers, they are holding the torches and they are in a great number. The flames soaring many feet into the air, and flames are soaring means flying or rising towards the sky in the air, and it is towards many feet, and afterwards they play in the river means the elephants play in the river. Running and splashing in their midst is a black well-fed happy little elephant. Now this is about the orphan elephant, that all the young elephants were in the water and they were playing, and in the midst there was a black well-fed means a healthy happy little elephant, and that was the orphan elephant. The elephants, three abreast, link trunks and sway to a rhythm of the urgent beating of the drum. In the ceremony, the elephants, three abreast, three elephants are side by side, link trunks, they link or they join their trunks and sway to the rhythm of the urgent beating of the drums, and they dance according to the beating of the drum. Unperturbed by the manic movement, fire, intense heat and noise around them means they are unconcerned. उनको उस चीज़ से कोई मतलब नहीं है, कोई उन पे असर नहीं हो रहा, उस चीज़ की तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं है. किस तरह से मैनिक मूवमेंट्स हैं, फायर है, इंटेंस हीट मीन्स कि बहुत ज़्यादा हीट है वहाँ पे फायर की वजह से, एंड द नॉइज अराउंड देम, उनके आसपास नॉइज़ है बहुत, लेकिन वो सबसे बेखबर होकर एक दूसरे के साथ अपनी मूवमेंट्स जो हैं उनकी जारी हैं. द पीपल रिगार्ड द एलिफेंट एज क्लाउड्स, and the people regard the elephant as cloud that walk the earth, and so they are essential in attracting the vital rains, as we are told that they are used, and they are this ceremony is for rain. So in that ceremony they are looking at the elephant as they are clouds, and they are saying that these elephants could attract the rains. When the Candy Parahira is finally over and the dogs at every shrine have been honored, the elephants plod back to their villages for their everyday work. When the ceremony ends and the गॉड्स एट एवरी श्राइन हैव बीन ऑनर्ड, सबको वो जब अपने गॉड्स की पूजा कर लेते हैं, उनको जो भी उन्होंने चढ़ाने होते हैं चढ़ावे वो चढ़ा देते हैं, उसके बाद एलिफेंट्स जो हैं दे प्लॉड बैक, प्लॉड मीन्स वॉक स्लोली, वो स्लोली वॉक करके वापस जाते हैं विलेजेस की तरफ फॉर देयर एवरीडे वर्क, अपने डेली रूटीन के काम के लिए.